I've got some new information for you on how to make sure this door actually closes every time. A commenter in my original video was nice enough to point out that there is a technical service bulletin to address the no close automatic sliding door issue. The close, no close, or whatever it's called. You know, when your door doesn't close. So it's commonly referred to as a TSB, Technical Service Bulletin. All that means is within Chrysler, they know it's a problem, they know what the fix for the problem is, but you have to go into your dealer and complain about it before they will do anything. So the next step would be a recall where they notify you, tell you to come in and do it free of charge. The other caveat with the TSB or the Technical Service Bulletin is that it's included, Chrysler will pay for it if you are under warranty. If your vehicle is not currently under warranty, you need to pay. The average price I found out dealers are charging for this Technical Service Bulletin repair is $139. So what does that $139 get you? Basically, they reprogram the electric motor that drives the door closed. There's a control module that they reprogram for the electric drive motor. I've dug into it. What they are doing is raising the torque limit on that to prevent the backing up of the motor. So in my fix, I told you to spray silicone on the weather stripping and foam around the door to reduce the friction, to reduce the amount of torque that motor needs to close the door. They are basically upping the torque limit they have on the motor. So we're going after the same thing, the torque on the motor. My method just reduces the amount of torque required to close the door. They're just saying, let's increase that limit. And again, that limit is in place so that if you're not paying attention and you put your arm in the door, it recognizes there's an obstruction and backs up. So if you get their fix and put your arm in the door, it's going to get squeezed slightly tighter. I'm sure it's still safe, but that's basically what they're doing. As you may have guessed, I have no plans to go to my dealer to give them $139 of my money to fix this problem. I'm going to stay with the silicone spray and use that to lubricate the foam and rubber parts on this door to make sure that it keeps closing correctly. I have been doing some experimenting, and this door, the passenger side door here in particular, was the first one after I put the first application of silicone on to start opening back up or giving that no close fault. So I did some experimenting on just spraying certain parts to see what really makes the most difference. What seems to have the most impact here is this front and rear foam. So what I do is take my can of silicone here and really hose that front piece and back piece. You do this and keep up on it, your door will close like this. Now, once I hose the front and back foam down like that and it got absorbed into there, it seems to be longer lasting. It's gone weeks and weeks without even having to worry about this. Before I started using this to lubricate those parts, this door would sometimes need 5 or 6 attempts to get it to actually latch. The kids would be in the back yelling, "Dad, Mom, the door's open, it didn't close." Or sometimes you go into the store, you'd hit the button while you're walking away and come back out, and your door's wide open. You'd realize real quick that you couldn't trust it. But now I'm getting back to the point where I trust this thing. So it's made a huge difference, and I believe it will for you too. Thanks for watching. If you found some value in this, subscribe. Got some other transmission tips on these Pacificas that can give you a real headache once in a while. So look for my other videos on that. Otherwise, hope you have a good day. Adios.